Hi guys, welcome back to Football Trading Group. I'm just going to go over the in-play sheets for this weekend. Not all the leagues, I'm just going to download the Premier League in-play sheets. Of course you've got the other 7 leagues to do, but as most people will be watching the Premier League, I would have thought as it's just kicked off, we'll go over this sheet. So if you just download the sheet, you can enable editing at the top there. You don't have to enable the content. And if you scroll down, you'll get the match odds, and you also get the little bit to the bottom which says in play. Now on the in play, we'll just leave it on Leicester Liverpool, the top game. We'll go over how you can possibly use this while trading in a game, and to plan how to get in, how to get out, and what to expect over this game. You can see you've got the other games there as well. So you can pick any game of your choice and use your knowledge to the best ability, and use Smog as a guideline to make yourself some money. So we'll just tap those odds in, as you can see there. 7, there we go, 4.75, 1.4. Now we'll click on the home. Obviously you can see in green the estimated value is quite a good return, and if you bet that an infinity amount of times, you can see that there will be a return no matter what. Always recommend trading only 1, maximum 2.5% of your bankroll, because this is football and strange things can happen. But we're looking to trade, and we're looking to give ourselves an idea, a plan before the game, so we understand what to do. So if you go up here and you look at the match time, you can click on 43 minutes and you can see the odds of Smog when it's still 0-0 have changed. So you know that coming into the 43-minute mark, the odds on the bookies will be around this mark, give or take a little bit. So it gives you a zone to get in, to get out, to follow. If you change the score, Liverpool 1-0 up, you see all of a sudden there's value on the draw. We haven't changed the odds at the time, obviously, because we're just looking at Smog, not the orange ones. You can tap in the time of a red card, which again will change the odds and will help you know and give you an exit point, and enable you to plan for the game, plan your strategy before the game, which most traders do, and most traders that lose don't. They go and watch the game, they try and get an awe of it, but they don't have a strategic plan put in place to know what they're going to do for each eventuality that can happen, say in the first half or the second half. So you must have your exit and entrance points, and Smog will give you a very good idea of when to get out and when there's value as the match runs on. As the match goes on, you can enter the new odds that come up on the bookies or on the exchange, on the sportsbook, exchange, Betfair, anything like that, and tap them in to see if the value is swinging towards the draw. You might want to get out. Liverpool might be 1-0 up after 20 minutes. You can see the price is going to come in rapidly. If we go back up here and we click back over, you can see the draw is in favour if those odds were the same, but we need to change those odds in the orange as we go along during the game. So it helps if you're following it on live, maybe you're using flash score, which is pretty quick, or even watching it live on another screen. It does help, and you can see what's going on. Again, you can change to the 43rd minute. You can change to any single minute in the game, including injury time, and get a rough idea of what to expect the prices to be, so you can get in and set yourself an exit point. I can't. This is where most traders do fall down, is they don't create themselves an exit point. It's easy to get in. You can press a button. It's learning how to get out, and when's a good time to get out, and when's a good profit to take out. You can still use this goal bonus to give an implied. Liverpool, like I said, on the match sheet ones are, pardon me, scoring a lot of goals at the moment. So you might say they're going to score, give them a goal bonus, half a goal, and you can look, there's actually value in Liverpool after 43 minutes with a goal bonus. It gives you an idea of how to pick and play around, and like I said, get your entry and exit points before the game starts. Make little notes and follow it. This is something that FTG does, and the group of traders who sell it up, that helps you massively like nothing else out there. People will always tell you it's mentality, and it certainly is mentality when you're trading in an in-play game, but you also need to know and have some sort of idea of your entrance and exit points, and this will do it for you guys. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments below, guys. The more comments you leave and constructive, the better videos I can make to help you out on your journey of trading and help you make more money. Look forward to reading the comments soon. Cheers, thanks again.